This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22R is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 5, refrigerator, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, microwave, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22R is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.